Hi everyone, so this is our first video of 2026. I wish you all a very happy new year. Also, in this video, we have a lot of good hirings, so make sure to like this video and let's start. First of all, we have a hiring opportunity from CVENT. CVENT is hiring for management trainee, associate product consultant. The good part is 2025, 2026, both batches are eligible to participate here. Excellent communication skills is required. Strong analytical and logical skills is required. We have already seen a very big face from CVANT, but see, this time let's see if it will be a big face or whatever it is. Okay, so you can just try to apply in this. So all the requirements you can see here, and you can directly try to apply. The position is for management trainee. Next opportunity we have that is from IQVIA. They are hiring for SD1 position. So bachelor's degree in computer science or equivalent, experience in object-oriented programming like Java, PHP, Ruby, Python, fundamentals of principles of object-oriented programming principles, expertise in web development, experience with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the basic requirements. Next opportunity we have that is from Cryo. So they are offering a software development with generative AI fellowship program for 9 months. They will be providing you full placement assistance. The trial session is free. If you want to understand about the program, you can book the trial session. Link will be in the description, and the requirements you can see here, everything and everything they have, like mentioned, the alumni, the experience, everything. Okay. Next opportunity we have that is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for customer MNC analyst UX design. So this is the opportunity from Deloitte. Any graduate can apply for this. It's from Deloitte India. Next opportunity from Deloitte USA for trainee associates. So you can try to apply in this as well. Experience 0 to 6 months in IT operation, NOC, SOC, incident management, or all. Next opportunity we have from UPS for intern. So they are hiring for internship position. All the requirements you can see here. Must be student currently enrolled in degree or university program is mentioned. Next opportunity we have that is for from Emerson. They are hiring for intern engineer. So you can try to apply in this. All the requirements you can see here. Undergraduate engineering, instrument control engineering or ENTC engineering is required. Next opportunity we have that is from Microsoft hiring for software engineer intern. So if you are from 2026 batch or 2027 batch, you can apply. Next opportunity we have from Lumal hiring for product developer intern and trainee 2026 batch B computer science eligible to participate. I already putting out the links in the description so you can apply. Thank you so much for watching.